Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Render token. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Render token broke out another down channel on the daily time frame chart, and this was the video by the way. And after that, it was moving inside in another up channel. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that it is again moved up, and it is very close to hit the resistance of this channel. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move, and we will also take a look at this huge breakout from this very big down channel on a weekly time frame chart as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Render that I shared on 9th of November 2023 with my members. And this move produced almost 71% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for render, and that I shared on 9th of November, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that it was completing on a daily time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. You can see it was about to enter the buying zone. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and drop more down and completed the leg. Then we had a very, very massive reversal and it rallied almost 71% so far. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Render. And this is the weekly time frame chart. First of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And this was the up channel that I was showing you that was formed after breaking out this down channel. By the way, the target for this breakout from this channel was here at the top of the channel, approximately at $3. And you can see that the price and has rallied beyond that target, almost up to $4.02. And now it is stuck inside this up channel. If it will break down the support of this channel, then it can again drop down here at the bottom of the channel, approximately at $1.50. And in case of breaking out this up channel, the target to the upside can be here. By the way, it depends from where it will break out the channel. For example, if you will have a breakout from here, then it can move at $5.92. In my point of view, it can make a powerful attempt to break out this resistance of $6.50 in case of breaking out this up channel. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have already broken out a very big down channel. You can see on this weekly time frame chart, we broke out the channel here in the month of October 2022. And since then, it is in uptrend. And if I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then so far it has rallied more than 1,336%. And now it is very close to hit this long-term resistance of $6.50. By the way, the final target for this huge down channel breakout is here at the top of the channel. That can be between $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.